I was about to give up on this Radha painting, but I'm glad I didn't. When I reached this stage, I was not happy how the face was looking, so for a moment I even thought about starting over. But instead, I decided to slow down and trust the process and work on the skin tone one layer at a time. I added the golden layer, I added the highlights. I feel that sometimes painting just need a little more patience. You have to work in layers to get the desired texture and the look. I kept blending the skin tones to make it perfect. I always spend little extra time on the eyes because for me that's what bring a portrait to life. As eyes started coming together, I finally began to see the Radha I imagined. Then I moved on to the jewelry, building up the base colors before adding the final details. I added little shine to the jewelry by adding highlights. I used brown as a base color and the golden brown and black for adding highlights and the shadows in the painting. Painting the flowers was such a calming part of the process. With each flower, the painting felt a little more complete. It reminded me that the smallest details can completely change how a painting feels. Then I added pearl detail to the jewelry. Finally, I painted the background. It helped bringing everything together. One of my favorite finishing touches was adding the bindi. It is such a small detail, but it adds so much grace to the portrait. To finish, I added a simple border. Look at it now. I'm really glad I didn't give up. Every painting teaches me something. This one reminded me not to give up too soon. If you like to join me on my more painting journeys, I would love to have you here. Radhe Radhe.